Hey everybody, this is my car all torn apart. So, here we have the Nautilus truck horn. As you can see, I have the positive and negative hooked up. I have it grounded. So this is the front right corner. This is where the right horn used to be. And from there, I mounted the relay right here. You see all the positive and negatives right there. Grounded it to the old horn on that side. Have the cable running to, I'm probably going to rearrange this, but this is going all the way from here up under the box, the fuse box right there, and then right above the white connector here you can see that there is a slot you can plug in the 12-volt battery power. So, and listen, hear that kind of loud noise.